Follow me, because by the end of this video, you'll wonder how you spent all this time without knowing this important information. Just one spice to prevent Alzheimer's and dementia after 55. Anti-dementia spices. Grandma's recipe. Turmeric has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. But did you know that this golden spice could be the key to keeping your brain sharp and preventing neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia? Today, we uncover the science behind turmeric, how it works in the brain, and how you can easily incorporate it into your daily routine for maximum benefits. Alzheimer's and dementia are on the rise, affecting millions worldwide. Researchers have been tirelessly searching for ways to slow down cognitive decline, and turmeric has emerged as one of the most promising natural solutions. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that protect brain cells from damage, reduce plaque buildup, and improve memory function. Studies have shown that people who consume turmeric regularly have a lower risk of cognitive decline. In one study, conducted in India, where turmeric is a staple in daily cooking, Alzheimer's rates are significantly lower compared to Western countries. This isn't a coincidence. Curcumin helps to break down beta-amyloid plaques, one of the primary causes of Alzheimer's, and enhances brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which is essential for new neuron growth and brain plasticity. So how can you add turmeric to your diet for the best results? One of the easiest ways is through Grandma's golden milk recipe. Simply mix a teaspoon of turmeric with warm milk or plant-based milk, add a pinch of black pepper to enhance curcumin absorption, and a bit of honey for taste. Drink this daily before bed, and you'll be giving your brain a powerful boost. But don't stop at golden milk. You can also add turmeric to soups, stews, scrambled eggs, smoothies, or even your morning tea. The key is consistency. Making turmeric a regular part of your diet can help protect your brain for years to come. To maximize its benefits, try this turmeric brain-boosting smoothie. 1 cup almond milk, 1 banana, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, teaspoon cinnamon, teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon honey, teaspoon grated ginger. Blend everything together and enjoy a delicious anti-inflammatory drink that supports brain health. Turmeric isn't just about brain health. It has multiple benefits for your entire body. It helps reduce joint pain, lower inflammation, boost the immune system, and even improve digestion. Some studies suggest that turmeric can also help regulate blood sugar levels and support cardiovascular health, making it a great addition for anyone looking to maintain overall wellness. If you're wondering how much turmeric you need daily, experts recommend around 1 teaspoon per day. But don't forget the black pepper. It increases curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. You can also pair it with healthy fats like olive oil or coconut oil to boost its bioavailability. Looking for a fun way to include turmeric in your meals? Try making a turmeric-infused salad dressing by mixing olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, turmeric, and a pinch of salt. Drizzle it over your favorite greens for a delicious and nutritious meal. And did you know turmeric can also be used as a natural skincare remedy? Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties make it a great ingredient for face masks to help with acne and brighten skin. Just mix a little turmeric with yogurt and honey, apply it to your face for 10 minutes, and rinse it off for a glowing complexion. Before you go, Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this information valuable. And if you want to keep making informed choices about what you consume, check out my previous videos where I expose more food industry secrets that they don't want you to know. Stay healthy, stay informed, and see you in the next one.